Hey, hope you guys are doing well. Edgar's from Solo Marketer here. And today I'm going to quickly show you how to send your PDF to whoever signed up for it, like your lead magnet on System.io. So obviously it's going to be like a welcome email. So that's going to be an email campaign. Let's just say it's a landing page. They sign up to give you their name and email, and then they receive an email from you automatically. It's connected. So let's just say we have the email written out. Something really simple. So there's two ways of doing this. The first one is you just upload the file. If it's on your computer, like a PDF, you upload it on System.io, and then it's going to be linked in that email, right? Which is going to be the first one I'm going to show you. And the second one is if you already have a link. So you're gonna add that link. There's no need to upload it on System. So you're just gonna hyperlink, a button or a text. So that's gonna be another way I'm gonna show you how to do it. So the first one, we have it on our computer, so we want to just upload it to System. So let's just have an email here. Let's just say, let's hyperlink text. Let's just select the line, link icon, and then we do this download, upload, whatever icon it is. Let's just click on it. Let's click on upload. And then there's a PDF on my computer. Let's just select it, and just wait a couple seconds until it uploads. So now, once it's uploaded, it just appears here. And so what you want to do is you want to click insert, and then don't forget, this is a vital part. I always forget. Click on this save icon. People usually just go for save changes and exit, but you have to click this one first. So save it, save changes, exit. And as you can see, over here, send yourself a test email. Sometimes there might be a glitch of just like it doesn't hyperlink it, so just do it again. Send yourself a test email to your own email, and then check whether the actual PDF it opens on your phone or wherever you access your email. Always double check. So that's the first option. The second one is, let's click on the text again. Let's just do a button for a change. Let's just add another element, which I did by just either clicking on the plus button icon or just on the side. I can just drag in button. Let's click on the button and then the URL. You see, there's no option to upload, right? So what we can do is, let's say it's on Google Drive. So what you can do is you can right click, share, click on share on the PDF, and then change this to anyone with the link. And then copy link. You have to do this part because if it's by default, it's like a private link, nobody will be able to open it besides you, because you're the only one that has access to this account, to this private PDF. So you have to make it public. And it's anyone with the link. That means it's public. And you paste that link in here. Obviously change the button text if you want. I wouldn't leave it as is. And save changes. Same thing. Exit, send yourself a test email. Check if it works. And if it works, all good to go. Connect to email, send it out, whatever. And those are the two ways you can deliver a PDF to your newly acquired leads. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Like, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.